another day in the circus. It's another day, some kind of worthless. Taking care of them is my purpose. But there's something wrong underneath the surface. You kind words is all I wanna say. They never listen to me anyway. They know it's an off and done at my wit's end. So out on the mom's side, I'm the one you go when someone takes a friend. Allow us to show chaos and the wind. I will care for all them. Never order strong. Well, I know some will find me someday. Listen on the day with my memories cumbersome. See, I'm not just a sharp reading face and a henna really. But go try it, don't try your eyes and try to strap straight. No one will want you if you act that way. Don't be a burden, don't make yourself feel born. This is crucial small. Mom's friend, I'm the one you call when someone takes the fight and lead as soon as you're okay. Then the arms and I will care for all them. Know the orders so wild, I know someone will send me someday. That hey. Right, where have you been? We missed you on that last adventure. I'm in here. I'm doing okay. I'm sure that I could have just gotten away. What do you mean? You don't do? I can see that you don't need me. You know that's not true. Deserve you always go away. Until I say you're the wrong friend. You're the one we call when someone takes a fall and you're there to ask us if we're okay. 'Cause you're a true sign. I rely on you, on your sign to do nothing. It was fine. I think you're safe. Yes, I'm annoying. I'm on you call when someone takes a phone. 'Cause you're the phone. Sometimes I was your phone and don't know how to tell, but I'm not sure I'll make it someday. Oh, frankly, someday. I hope you'll frankly someday. I hope you'll ask. Oh.